then we want to make sure we have like reminders going out to them about the tour, a text reminder, an email reminder saying, hey, we have a tour. Is it still a good time? Now, if somebody cancels, we want to make sure we get on the phone or on that text and we reschedule immediately. Hey, okay, so now is not a good time. When can we reschedule this tour, right? And in case they tell you no, they change their mind, reschedule the tour. During the tour, while we're going through the tour, you need to know, I always say, you need to know your tour like Beyonce knows her stage. This is your stage. She doesn't get on stage and say, hey, play Boy on Top or something. Like, that's not happening. What happens is she's rehearsing all the time, and so should you. A good tour, basically, you're answering questions before they're even asked. Mm-hmm. So I believe, this is just my belief, go on Google and type in questions to ask for a childcare tour. And that is where parents are going for their questions. When they go, you want to embed those questions in your tour. So, for instance, one of the questions might be, what are the ratios? Instead of waiting for them to ask, you're going to say, this is our toddler classroom, and the ratio in this classroom is 1-4, right? So you're already embedding those questions in your tour process.